Good morning, students. This video helps you to prepare for the Kerala entrance exam, engineering examination, particularly mathematics. We are dealing some problems. So the first problem is the value of 2 into cos 75 plus I sin 75 divided by zero point 0.2 into cos 30 plus I sin 30. So we have to find out the value of this. Once the problem is given like this, you should keep one thing in your mind, that cos theta plus I sin theta, it comes under the comes in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore, you should write it as cos theta plus I sin theta is nothing but e raised to I theta. So you have to simplify this. As such, you cannot simplify it. Rather, you can convert it into this form: e raised to I 75 divided by e raised to I 30. Take 30 to the numerator, it will become minus. So e raised to I 75 minus 30. Oh, 2 by 0.2, that is 10. 10 into e raised to I 45. And once again, to compute the final answer, you have to convert this into cos theta plus I sin theta form. So 10 into cos 45 plus I sin 45 is equal to 10 by root 2 1 plus I. Simple. Cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root. So you can substitute the values of cos 45 and I sin 45, and you can easily get the answer like this. 1 by root 2, you can take it outside. So if the next problem, if the conjugate of a complex number z is I 1 divided by I minus 1, then what is z they are asking. This is a regular problem asked many times in the many entrance examinations or competitive examination. So here z divided by 1 divided by I minus 1. So take its conjugate I plus 1 divided by I plus 1. It will be I plus 1 divided by I square minus 1 square. That is a minus b into a plus b, that will become equal to a square minus b square. So answer is minus 1 by 2 I plus 1. But we have to find out the conjugate of this. We will be getting the z value. So is z bar will become equal to minus 1 by 2 I minus 1 into I plus 1 I plus 1. Multiply in both numerator and denominator. The answer is minus 1 divided by 1 plus I. So actually this the conjugate of this one only this. Okay, fine. Next the problem is the value of I raised to 18 plus 1 divided by I raised to 25 the whole cube is equal to what? The question is asked in this fashion. So by looking into this 18, 25, that is huge number, you should not get worry. We can easily simplify this. How? 18, this is I raised to 18. This can be written as I raised to 4 the whole raised to 4 into I square. So 16 plus 2, it will become equal to 18. 4 into 4. So in plus 2. So power, you should add it. So plus 2, it will become 18. So you can write it in this fashion. Because you know the value of I square, I cube like that. But you cannot define. It is difficult for you to find out I raised to 18 or I raised to 25 like that. So if so means you have to simplify this I raised to 18 in this fashion, and then you can complete easily that simplified I raised to 10. And 1 divided by I raised to 4 the whole raised to 6 into 1 divided by I. Okay, so this will be 24, and here on I will be there, so that will become equal to 25. Is it correct? Simple. So I raised to 25, we can easily write it in this fashion. And next I raised to 4 I square, you know, so therefore I raised to 4, you know, I raised to 4 to 4, you know, you can easily understand, that is 1. Okay, that will become equal to 1. So I raised to 2 is nothing but minus 1. So multiply this. 1 divided by I raised to 4 the whole raised to 6 into 1 divided by I. 1 into 1 divided by I, that will become equal to 1 raised to I raised to 4, you know, the whole raised to 6, even number, therefore it will become equal to 1. Hence this part 1 divided by I, this remain will it will be remain over there. So you have to add these two terms and you have to take a cube of each. So minus 1 plus 1 divided by I. Okay, so it is basically in the form of a cube minus b cube. That can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. Okay, so that's the way I wrote it. Okay, fine. um, 3ab into a minus b. Okay, okay, okay. So it is 3ab, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. So the answer is it will be like this, 2 minus 2i. Okay. So next, fourth problem is the modulus of 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I is what? It is asked in one particular examination. So the modulus means any complex number modulation is, say suppose a plus ib is a complex number, means its modulus is a root of a square plus b square. So therefore 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I can be written as, simplify this first of all, then you take a root of a square plus b square. So simplification here it is happening. So I am just subtracting these two terms by taking LCM. So answer it will be 4i divided by 2 is equal to 2i. And since this is the complex number, can be written as a real part is 0, so 0 plus 2i. So that can be written as, so as to get the modulus root of a square plus b square, that is 0 square plus 2 square. The answer is 2. This is the fourth problem. Fifth problem is all about probability. Three players A, B, and C play a game. The probability that A, B, and C will finish the game are respectively 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 4. The probability that the game finished is. Okay, so this is very simple. So first of all, you write down the given data. Probability of A is 1 by 2, probability of B is 1 by 3, probability of C is 1 by 4. Okay, finish the game. Finish the game is this. These are all the details. But what is the required probability? The required probability is that the game is finished. So game is finished means, first of all, what you are supposed to do, 1 minus p a complement, 1 minus into b, p of b complement, p of c complement, right? So what you are supposed to do, 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Likewise you find it for p of b bar and p bar c bar, right? So 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. The answer is 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. This is the required probability. And another simple problem as far as probability is concerned, a password is set with 3 distinct letters from the word logarithm. There is a word called as logarithm. How many such passwords can be formed? Okay. This problem is all about selection of objects. So once we are talking about selections of object, means it will be a combination, right? So earlier it was the problem, simple problems are all based on arrangements. Just you are going to deal with only arrangements. But in this problem, you are going to have a selection and also arrangement. So both the things are there. What is the selection? Selection is how many such passwords can be formed. Okay. And what is the arrangement? Three distinct letters from the word logarithm. A password is set with three distinct letters. So these two combinations are there. So combinations, permutation and combinations, right? That particular concept, particularly that you take the combination. Combination is NCR. And since the arrangement is also needed, so multiplied with 3 factorial. So 10C3 into 3 factorial. So what is 10C3? You know very well. 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 720. This is one problem. So from this word logarithm, you can have a 3 distinct letters password. How many such passwords you can define? 720 passwords you can define it. Okay. Next, in how many ways a committee consisting of, this is one of the problem. This problem is also comes under probability. In how many ways a committee consisting of 5 men and 3 women can be chosen from 9 men and 12 women. Okay. So once again, as I said earlier, selections of object. Here also, see, Selections of objects means you have to go for a combination. I am also going to select it. How I am going to select it? 5 men and 3 women can be chosen, will be selected from 9 men and 12 women. So chosen in the sense it with that word prescribe us, that word tells us the selection, right? So therefore we have to use the combination, right? So how I am going to use the combination? 5 men out of 9 men, 9C5 is equal to 126. 9C5, right? 5 men out of 9 men. Okay, so you should write it as n is equal to 9. So out of 9, you are going to choose 5, right? So 9C5, which is equal to, how you will do it as we did it earlier, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 5 into 4 into 2 into 1. Same as that of this one. Okay, so it will become equal to 126 way. What about 3 women out of 12 women? 3 women out of 12 women. So 12 is the n and 3 is the what to say n r, right? So that is 12C3 NCR. We will call it as NCR. So the R is 3 and 12 is nothing but n. So 12C3, which is equal to 220 ways. Okay, but we have to make a committee consisting of these two clubbed together. So therefore, what I am supposed to do means you have to multiply these two. The committee can be chosen as 126 ways into 220 ways. Okay, so 126 ways I can make for men, and 220 ways I can make for women. Therefore, multiply it. The answer is 27720 ways. Okay, so this is one type of probability problem. So in this video, we have studied about the problems which are comes under complex number and also the probability. So in the complex number, we have seen 3 such problems. The enough number of problems are asked as far as complex numbers are concerned in entrance examination, and you have to give more importance to the probability also. So that we are seeing, right? That we have seen. If possible, I will make such video in future about more problems in complex number and the probability. Okay, thank you so much.